Ice motherfucking cold. That boy, he a penguin. What the hell was this? Is this a sell? Oh no, I'm buy. So alright, gold. If it comes down here, it doesn't break. Showing me it doesn't want to break resistance here. Can't buy right here, but I ain't risking it. Let it come down here. It comes up and breaks again. I am willing to buy. Or it is at a main support. You can see, look, it's at a main support. It probably doesn't want to go up, to be honest. You can see it's at a main support. It probably want to shut down before anything. We don't know. But if it's telling me it don't want to break, then I'm gonna just enter. Alright, so if it come down here, so the price, let's just draw it out. So it goes up, break, go to the higher high, come here, doesn't break around here, come back up here, and we wanted to fly up here. So that's my thing. And as you see, I entered here. Let's take off the pivot lows. As you can see, it's not breaking here. Comes to do this break of right here. Do this breaker right here. Come back here. Doesn't break here. And enter around here. And then let it fly. So that's a false. That's the plan. 15-minute. Even 15-minute, it looks okay. Because it came down. Like, yeah, it looks okay. Like, I won't want to go in too low. Very low. Come back up here. If it does just take off, it takes off. Well, I don't think it'll take off. So here's a nice buy right here. So you buy somewhere around here. One of these, you can make this a safe one. That's a nice 3-to-1. There's another one I've been targeting, 6-to-1. There's another one I've been targeting, 11-to-1. So yeah. Those are mine right there. Those are my steps. That boy, he a penguin. Ice mother. I'm trying to figure this out. So wait, so this is what I'm gonna do. Like I said, you gotta wait for the steps. Let it come back down. Doesn't break structure. Come back above here. I'm letting it fly. I'm letting it fly. I'm letting it fly. I'm gonna just let it fly. You see, I entered here. Got a good spot yesterday. Probably would have closed out here. I closed out at break even. I ain't tripping though. I ain't tripping. If the market really go in my favor, that's like 10% on the account. I'm not really tripping. So like that's why I don't never trip, bro. Even if it come here, be like take pride. I don't give it. I don't care. I could have closed out here because it seemed support, and then once it came back down, yeah, because look higher high. The lowest. That's why I closed out at break even because it could have came like down here and went back up, but it didn't. So I just closed out at break even. Tuesday didn't trade because I really couldn't find nowhere to enter. And on Tuesday, you could have entered somewhere maybe around here, but I didn't like the entry too much. And well, you would have took it. I probably would have just took it a little bit here, and that's not really a lot of points. It probably would have been like a 2R. Like, let's see, probably would have been like a 2R. As you can see, it's break now is it's still not really breaking lows. No, yes it is. It broke the low, so I would want it to break a higher low. So it broke this, came down here. I would thought it would have came down here, which it did today. So you probably could have entered here and then took this to. I would have honestly. I would. I don't want to be. I hate when people be like, just take it. Just take it to here. We don't know the market is going there. We don't. I know a guarantee it's probably gonna come here, and probably I would have just closed out. Probably like around here. I would have took it because I don't like that trade. In all honesty, I would at least wanted a 2R. So even if you made the TP like right here, let's just say TP. Yeah, it'd have been a 2R. It would have been a 2R. I wouldn't have took it though. I didn't really like it. It bashed up. Yes, you could have followed the trend, but mm, you could have. But I think it's gonna be in some ranging phase. That's why I said, hey, you at least take it to here. If anything, to go to here again, or if you go to here. Like I said, if I take it to here, I'm gonna just take profits. I just take profits. Nas. Um, so Nas, look at this. I think it wants to go down. I don't think it wants to. Like on a higher, like on a 15. Let's see, Nas. You see on a 15, it drops low, low, high, 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 low, low. So on a 15, this is the low. On a 15, this is the low. But on a 5, it's trying to show higher highs. We in a crazy bias, but you can really follow the. To be in all honesty, I'll probably follow the sales. If it breaks here, I guarantee it's buying. Like if it just breaks here, in all honesty, it's gonna keep buying. But overall, I got it selling. Even though, like I said, I got it selling because look, sales broke higher highs, came up, come down. If it breaks this, maybe, just maybe. Ow, you getting shock absorbance. Because look, even if you enter from, let's just say you can enter anywhere from here. To be honest, all honesty, uh, if it sells, comes up. If it breaks down from here, because it is sells, like this is a good one right here. It sell from here, but if it does break this, like I said, you don't want to enter from here. Like I said, it's buys. Hey, these are just places you can enter. Like, look at this. Nice. This is a nice one. It comes down, comes up. If it doesn't break here, I got it going from here to here. So if it doesn't want to break here, I can see it coming over to this yellow. So somewhere like this. It doesn't want to break. But if it does want to break, like say if it start right here, does want to break, I got to go into at least here. At least there. Because I don't guarantee like, all right, this is the low, it breaks the high, it breaks this high here. That's on the lower time frame, boom, come back, make a new higher high, breaks this low, comes down, boom, 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 breaks this high, comes back low, comes back low. Yeah, oh yeah, I would have had I sell. I guarantee to sell, my boy. Sell. Oh yeah, sell. I gotta see strong push. Like, yo, once then I'll probably start selling now. So I know. Even on a higher time frame, I still probably would consider selling because comes up comes up Monday. Like, what the fuck is the Monday? Oh, Monday you probably won't have this shit. Like Monday, you don't see no type of sales. Like, in all honesty, look at Monday. You don't see no type of, like, none. You don't see none. There wasn't a sale. Tuesday, there was a sale. It breaks structure, but you can't get the sale. At most, probably sold here. No, at most, boom, boom, comes up. Anything you probably sold here. And then sold here. Stop loss here. I don't know what TP would be at, in all honesty. Maybe here. Here. Well, make TP here if you want to. That's what price was originally at. If you want to be on the safe side, yeah, that'd have been good TPs. All right, look at this breakdown from there's a breakout of the 5. It breaks again, so yeah, you could do this shit. I don't like that. That boy, he a penguin, ice mother ping pong. He a penguin living. Mm. Mm. Ooh. This will be another one I'll sell here. The fuck is this? Oh, this is buy. Oh, I'll probably start selling. Hmm. 15. Let's see if we can make it smaller. Make it smaller. Still too big. 30. Make it even smaller. Yeah, make it even smaller. Go back. That's the smallest I can make it. Get down and turn into a singer. That boy, Ice mother. Oh, that boy, he's a genius. Turn into a singer. That boy, he a genius. Ice mother. Oh, that boy, he a penguin. Ice mother. That boy, he a penguin. Uh, uh, mm, Ice mother. Oh, that boy, when she get behind me, to turn it into a singer. That boy, he a genius. Ice mother. Oh, that boy, he a penguin. One of my first YouTube videos. One of my first YouTube videos. Listening to the same Joan 5 years ago. I think this came out 5 years ago. Like I think out 4 years ago. I ain't that old. Let me mute it back. That boy he a genius. Ice motherfucking cold. That boy he a penguin. Ice. Go. Yeah. Go. I'm about to go walk my dog, man. Man, wash the dishes. You coming, Glow? Okay. Go. No, rules. No. Now we waiting on. Because you ho. Let me grab you toe. Fuck up, nigga, bring the pole. Just ho. Girl, outside, come here. Come here, girl. What you doing? Then I went back to sales to buy.